finally, you are my wife now. I love you, and I thank the Lord for the love that has bound our hearts and live together in the spiritual fellowship of marriage. I will love, honor, and cherish you always and forever. As we enter upon the privileges and joys of life's most holy relationship and begin together the great adventure of building a Christian home, I will look to you as a partner and helper.
My love, my best friend, and my prayer partner, as we stand here in our wedding day, my heart is overflowing with love and joy. Ever since we met, I've known that we're special, that the way we talk, laugh, around each other is different than everybody else. You are an answered prayer for me, and I will spend the rest of my life thanking God for loving me enough to send me His very best.
You may now kiss your bride. We have gathered here today for this very reason that we will join Anthony and Maricol as they will receive the sacrament of marriage, and above all to receive the blessings of God as they live as husband and wife, and most of all, the empowerment of God so that they will be able to do their duties and responsibilities.
From this day forward, until God calls us home. Thank you for waiting me patiently, mahal, but the long wait is now over. I felt blessed beyond words that we found each other. Today, I commit my life to you as your wife. I promise to take care of you, to love you, and appreciate you every day. I love you so much.
I will love you in sickness, as in health, in poverty, as in wealth, in sorrow, as in joy, and will be true to you by God's